Good morning, people. I'm in the sauna getting my Optimum U protocol in. Got a little bit of a tan from working out outside. I have a great announcement to make. I've been waiting on this for a long time. We have officially launched our Elevated Recovery Peak Performance Labs. It's in partnership with a lab, and eventually we hope to get our own lab. It's part of the process. But this is a customized test that covers a few different things. But first of all, it is very revolutionary. It's revolutionary in the sense that we are the only addiction recovery company, the only addiction recovery service that can use blood work to identify whether you are acting out or not. We can use blood work to determine your recovery rate. So we look at your prolactin, we look at your estrogen levels, your testosterone, your total and your free testosterone. We also look at your luteinizing hormones, prolactin, and cortisol levels as well. And that's just the base. The first thing I wanted was an actual service that could help men who are dealing with sexually compulsive disorders. Now, what it also does is that it tests different biomarkers for inflammation. What's inflammation? Inflammation is your body's response to any sort of toxins or any sort of deep injury that is caused within the body. It could be something from alcohol, it could be from toxins that are in the food you eat or in the self-care products you put in your body. All of these things can cause inflammation, and you want to find out in today's world what you're actually putting in your body, what's making you feel off. Some of you guys have different allergies that you've developed, and food intolerances and sensitivity. We cover all of that. We also cover your metabolic fitness as well. So what's metabolic fitness? Metabolic fitness is just checking in on your body's cellular ability to use energy. Some of you are not using energy the right way. You could look great, you could work out, you could be getting the right sleep, but you're just not fit at all. You know how people say that when you get more fit, your capacity for work is supposed to increase? Well, if that's not happening to you or for you, you might be exercising in the wrong way and something else might be off. We also check in on your nutritional balance and also your cardiovascular health. Basically, it's my dream test in a box. Everything that you need if you're dealing with an out of control behavior. It doesn't necessarily have to be sexual, but we are the only company out there that can look at your prolactin levels, your cortisol levels, your testosterone levels. We look at it twice and we're like, yeah, you've been watching pornography, not masturbating or having sex, because we can also look at your oxytocin levels. Anyway, I'm geeking out on it, but for this Black Friday, we have a very special deal. So all you need to do is DM me the word lab, DM me the word lab, or drop it in the comment section below, and I'll send you a link for that. We don't have too many of them because it's a pretty comprehensive test, but you also get a 1-hour free consult with our certified coach to go through all your blood work. And you can also take this to your doctor if you want a second opinion. I appreciate you guys for watching. It's getting really hot in here. I'll talk to you later. Bye.